no idea if this is gonna work. I don't even know if my audio is correct. It could be awful. I don't even know. Okay, no, the audio is fine. Okay, so I have to do the most painful thing on the planet, which is use JavaScript. I hate JavaScript. Like, genuinely. Just this code here I've written, it's pretty shit. Okay? Turns out there's some crazy goofy stuff with like classes in JavaScript. So I can be like, oh my class, right? And you can do something stupid like get and then basically it's like at property in Python, but significantly worse. So that's fun, and there's so many just awful syntax choices. So that's fun. The DOM access is okay, but like it still sucks ass. So, you know, I've written like half of it in Python here. I mean, I would have to anyway, but basically, yeah, that's what's gonna happen here. So, there are a couple issues with this, like the fact that the server downloads the image off of the WebSocket, and I base 85 encode the image and put it in the JSON file, which is really stupid. But anyway, that creates a profile picture. Now, if it's not a PNG and it says PNG, you're a bit fucked because it's gonna assume you're using PNGs. I could do image conversions. What? Okay, good night, I guess. Anyway, it's kind of shit. So there's a few issues, but I think I can get this working. This is a simple client, and it just has an image, username, and the URI for the WebSocket. There's some CSS here. I am terrible at CSS, so it's gonna look pretty ugly. And then this is the JavaScript. Now ignore it saying server.js. It's kind of accurate, but this is a client, just a special client, because it doesn't work like the other clients. It gets information forwarded to it. So if I open up this right here, and I just run this client, you'll see I appear, and in about 10 seconds it'll disappear. You also notice it says player connected, fetching info, and there's my info. So 10 seconds, maybe. So there we go, and I disconnected. So and it says that I disconnected, and it still says fetching info. I never printed the name, so I should fix that. But for now, we're gonna add rolling. So we can roll dice. Now, I need to do storage to say, okay, are there any queued dice rolls that need to be done? And if so, do them. But I haven't done that, so guess we'll figure it out. Because I would like the ability to have just queued dice rolls. And you can click a player, you can say, alright, give them one dice roll, and it'll do it. Maybe the ability to also give them some stats or something, and tell the server to register it. And on the server side, there'll be a list of stats that can be modified, because I'm thinking, you know, like I want this to be extensible. Talespire itself is fairly extensible. It's not just for D&D. And not to mention, I am not an expert on D&D. I've DM'd twice and never played, so not exactly the biggest expert here. So we'll see what happens. What I need to look at now is Talespire's... Oh, here we go. There's the documentation. So I look at the API docs, and let's see. Get party, get blob, set blob, delete blob, get blob. Why are there two? Get queue. Oh, I can get the turn queue. That's actually interesting. Okay, there is put dice in tray. What does that mean? Okay, well. Make roll descriptions. Takes a dice roll string. Okay, well, what is a dice roll string? Is valid roll string. Oh, okay, that actually makes sense. That makes my life significantly easier. What is the slash? Okay, slash separates a separate roll. So I can make roll descriptors. So that's fun. Trying to think. So, for the time being, I'll just do message data. So I need the player, so I'll say the player equals, and it'll be the dot player here. That's what I'll do. And in the server, when I'm handling a roll event, I will say roll underscore forward equals, and I will set the type to roll event. I need to put that in a string. And I will set the player. And this will have a couple pieces of info. The name, and I will go so I am noticing something. Let's do a get player here. Maybe I should make a player upon connection. Instead of waiting for a real connection. Although, I guess I can't do that because I don't know what the player will be. Let me think. I could have a lookup table. Given a WebSocket, you know, send a thing. Okay, I should probably do that. So connections lookup is going to be this, and then when I go and I do a connection handle, I also do connections lookup, and let's see, put in the WebSocket, and I set that equal to the player. So now, in here, so now I can do player dot, and then I want the name, and then I want to get a UUID, and I will say player dot UUID. And that's all the player info I want. That should work. So on a roll event is what I want. And on a roll result, what will I want to do? So I guess I will say that the player, so I should also do player lookup, or, and then I'll have player by UUID. You know what? I can actually just I can have them in the same thing, right? It's a dictionary. There's nothing that stops me from doing that. So down here I can say that I want to do. Let's see. Forgot what I was doing, I'm sorry. So that happens now. Now I want to go down here. I want to say the player is going to equal data player, and I will get. Really, I can just say player UUID. And then I can say the result, and then con equals connections lookup, and I will do it by the player UUID. Result is going to equal data dot result, and then I go con dot websocket dot send, and I would want to do data raw new dictionary. The type is going to be roll result, and yeah, I'm going to say that the result okay, so it returns an array of role descriptors. What does the send dice result do? Okay, so that returns a role result group, and when I send it, I feel like I should have a way to do a secret role, but I'm not sure how I could do that without revealing it through the UI, because like, the entire point of this is that you screen share. How do I get a role result group? see. Okay, hold on. Now, I will... How the hell do I get a role result group? It doesn't tell me. Okay, this returns a string, though. Oh god, I hate JavaScript. Alright, I don't... Wait, that's a client event? Oh, that's so stupid. Okay, think that's all good. Don't quote me on it. I do need to do one thing in the game, which is roll a damn dice. Not build mode. I just want to go whoop. Roll the 7. Now, what does that look like in here? Did it not actually send anything? 8. Do I need to have the, whoops, do I need to have the symbiote open when I make the roll? Actually, it looks like I might need to refresh. Oh, okay, yeah, wait. Whoa, 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 it sent an object. I didn't do that. Expand recursively, there we go. Has entered foreground. Okay, well that's not at all helpful. It seems kind of dodgy. Like, it doesn't seem like it sends as much info as it should. Okay, how the hell? TS dot dice dot make roll descriptors. For now, I'll just do like 2d6 plus 1, right? With a slash in that shit. So then I'll do like d4. So yeah, 1d4 minus 1. Actually, I don't even know if you can do a minus 1, so I won't do a minus 1, but let's do this. So that makes the roll descriptors, so I'll put this as dice, and then I will do ts.dice. And I don't know. Okay. It doesn't explain event sources, and these links don't work. Oh, I get it. I get it. Let's see. Is there any other data I can pack in there? Or is that not a thing I can do? What is the string? Okay, it returns a role ID. Okay. Is it just gonna be a message again, or? Okay, so is it push? I think it's push. Is there a, okay, now I'm a little confused. Dictionary in JavaScript, does that exist? Okay. Just an object, sure. That is so awful. Whoever came up with this is a fucking weirdo, man. No idea what they were doing. They were just like, well, we can just do this. It'll be funny, right? It'll be so revolutionary. And then they threw every godforsaken feature they could find, just in the depths of hell or wherever the fuck they got these features from. This is just bad. Like, like it's cool. Yeah, it's a cool feature. But why would every object act like a really shitty dictionary without explicitly saying that you want to use a dictionary? Like, Python lets you do that. Cool, right? But you have to explicitly say that you want the dictionary version of the object. And you can do that, and that's fine. But you have to explicitly say it. And it's very easy to explicitly say. But you know what you're doing at all times, right? You know what the index operator is going to do because you do the operator overloading on it. I feel bad for JavaScript devs, to be honest. Truly terrifying what this language is. Anyway, I can do roles, and then I set the role ID, and I set it equal to the data raw. Yes. Okay. Then down here, I do this, and well, for now, I actually don't do any of that, but yeah. Go into the dev tools. I think I have to close that. Go to debug? Or no, I have to open it. very interesting. Oh, what? I forgot to await. Oh, okay. I always forget that. I never do awaits because I just don't like async. I'd rather just use threads. Like, it just seems simpler to me, and then just have the thread locks where necessary. But I understand the value of async. It's just annoying as all hell to use. So, okay. Server, I have to restart the client because the connection changed, so I can't like just keep going with it. So I need to open this up and I'll see what it does. Shite. Okay, well that was promising. Type, not array. Okay, well, yeah, I forgot about that. I meant to fix the result not found bit, but... Still bugged. It says result is not defined. I didn't even use result. Oh, yeah. No. Such a gamer. Waiting for that 10-second interval, which I'm gonna set to like 3 instead. I think that'll be fine. Role ID is not defined. What do you mean it's not defined? Because I called it that. Okay, yeah, I see what I've done. Okay. Do this. Okay, one error there, and this is on line 82. It's not an array somehow. I made the role descriptors. The role descriptors are not an array, despite them being an array. What type are they? Did I make my role descriptors wrong? Like, do you have to just do D4 or D6? I really do wonder. It's not an array, so that isn't the issue. I guess I will see what happened. Just says the word rolled. No, okay, I see. Wait. What is happening? At line 84. Huh. This is type, not an array. Somehow. And there's a promise. What do you do with JavaScript promises? Okay, how do I resolve a promise? Oh, I just want to await the async event here. That's all I want to do is just await this async event. How the fuck do I do it? Mozilla, your documentation. I don't care about all that. Is it resolved? Returns a new promise. No, okay, I don't want to do that. I wanna resolve the fucking promise. I'm gonna fucking stab a baby. How do I resolve the fucking promise? JavaScript await a promise. Is there just an await keyword? Is that all I need to do? Is it? I swear to God, if this isn't how you do it, I'm gonna stab a baby. Await is only available in async. Thanks, awesome. Okay, async. But now everything's a. God, I fucking hate async programming for this exact reason. With a thread, I can just spin up a fucking thread. I don't have to do bullshit like this. Got a text. Who am I getting a text from? Literally nothing. I got no new messages. 0. And my phone vibrated because it thought it was funny. Awesome. God, I love having a phone. Okay. I don't... JavaScript resolve a promise without await. That looks to have worked. At least for, preventing that syntax error. Let's go. Okay, hold on. That's not terrible. Okay. So it did a roll. I didn't want to do a silent roll, but it looks to have done one anyway. Okay, what if... Don't remember how to use the UI. I'm going to be so honest with you. 2d6 plus... Okay, okay, okay. I can roll there. Alright, so that's how that works. Okay, that is good to know. So I'm thinking I let the players request a roll. The DM can roll it. And there's the roll results, but I don't see it calling the result function. So that's an issue, right? Because I added the subscription in the manifest. I put on rolls results. That actually looks to be the problem. Okay, so what I can do is I can create a new connection. There we go. And then I can go whoop. Do a little dice roll. There's the dice roll. It didn't do it again. It still didn't do it. I think I have to... Do I have to reload the entire symbiote? Yeah, I'm not seeing this. I think that's what has to happen. So what I will do is I will go here, I will go here, I will deactivate the symbiote, I'll do this, refresh this admin panel, okay, activate the symbiote, and then I go like this, and here's this goofy little guy, and there we go, and it did not do it again. It just doesn't it just doesn't do it. Awesome. That's so fucking cool. I am going to delete a small child. I think that's what will happen. Like... I don't get it. I don't fucking get what the problem would be here. And it doesn't tell you. On roll result. What do I do with that? Okay, what are the arguments? Nothing? No fucking... Is... What are these... I don't get it. Wait a goddamn... Okay, subscriptions... Dice... Is this what I have to do? Is this 2 space tabs? Oh, disgusting, honestly, but I'm not changing it now. New manifest. I will connect the client. That creates a roll. I go bippity boop. I roll the things and received the roll. So kind roll results. These all need to be cleaned the fuck up. I actually, okay. So, wait. I can, oh god, I fucking, okay, so these are grouped, okay, that's fine. They're grouped. I would like to have that cleanup done automatically, but for now, I won't worry about it. Okay. When the roll results are gotten, I can say here, if message.kind is equal to roll results, then I can say roll equals rolls, and then I can do message dot payload dot expand recursively. Let's see, payload dot roll ID. Roll ID. Wait, can I do async calls without doing anything with async? Apparently I can. So async is different than promises? I thought promises were part of async in this case. Oh my god, really? Language design is apparently much harder than I thought for the people who made JavaScript. My god. This may truly be one of the hardest things I've done, just because I hate JavaScript with a passion. Okay, so I have the roll, and now I can say roll dot packet dot let's see. So I also want to do roll dot websocket dot send, and then JSON dot stringify. Right? I'm doing this right? Yeah, stringify and roll.packet. So I can go roll.packet.result is going to be equal to message.payload dot, and then how the fuck? Okay, that. Oh wait, I see. I'm gonna be honest. I hate these dev tools. All I want to do is recursively fucking open it. Why can I only do it with select field? Why can I only do it sometimes? Let me look at it, you piece of fucking shit! I'm sorry. Is this really what JavaScript developers have to deal with? Because if so, I feel terrible if that's the case. Oh my god. Okay. Firefox Dev Tools expand expand console log. There we fucking go. Okay, result. And it's an array. Cool. Is there a better way to get these results? I want the roll total. I just want to get the total of the dice roll. Does it tell me a total? Like, can I just have that? Do I use value of? Okay, all of them have value of. Is this default? Native code, okay. Okay, does the evaluate... Okay, I think I do ts dot dice dot evaluate dice results group. And then I go and I get the results groups. What if... Okay, I have no idea. Anyway. Um, so if I connect with the client, shite, packet, what? Got an undefined. I don't know how that is possible. Okay, cool, but am I modifying the global, or am I not modifying the global? Let me Google. Can you modify global variables from inside functions in JavaScript? Okay, yeah, but I literally have no other option here. So it's not bad programming practice when there actually is global state here. Like, go fuck yourself, Google. I know what side effects are, and that is an intentional feature here. So I'm sorry. A little pissed off at this. Because just this API is a little annoying. I don't understand what the issue is. And I hate using this programming language because it is just the worst. Dictionary in JavaScript. I'll Google it again. I will see. Wait, hold on. Is that actually how this works? I don't even know. That's also a fucking promise? Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking stab someone. Why is everything promises? Why? Who fucking decided this? Why are these promises? It is async. It's fucking async. That's async right there. What do you want from me? Can I just get the fucking value? Can I just be like, run the promise, please? Get the promised value. Don't do a then. I don't fucking care about that. It's the least important shit on the planet. I just want a value. Give me the fucking value. Or I will shit everywhere. I don't even... God damn it, dude. I hate JavaScript. Whoever invented this language has the fucking self-control of a toddler. Like, they just went up and added everything because they thought it would be funny. And they did it all badly. They thought nothing through. And I thought, okay, learning Rust kind of sucks, right? Like, it sucks. You know, C++ or some footguns and stuff, but I've never had any issue learning those languages as much as I have this one. Like, I've never been fucking so pissed off at the language designer and the standard library designer that I've just... Oh my god. This is so dumb. Why? Right? Like, I don't get it. I don't understand how anyone could think, oh, this is a really good idea. Just trust me, bro. There. Okay. That's that. Okay, and now... See? Oh my god, really? They did the role ID. Okay, ts.dice.evaluate dice results group. Okay, because I forgot an S, I believe. Let me check. Let me check. No, that is... What? You huge piece of shit. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's a spelling error. That's fine. I was pretty sure I had it, but I guess I didn't. I think I'm just gonna become a fucking like villain after this. Why? Uncaught in promise. That's also a promise? Are you fucking kidding me? Why is that a promise? Why? Why the fuck would that also be a promise? Why are they all returning promises? They are the worst thing on the planet. Dot then result there. Is it gonna be happy with that? Who knows? Why? Why? What the fuck is your issue? What is your problem? What the fuck is your problem? And I can't expand the stupid fucking... Okay, there we go. Expand recursively. Jesus Christ. Okay, so this object has a circular reference. That's super fun. So when you expand it in your browser, it infinitely prints. That's so cool. And I can't choose what I expand. No, 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 no. Firefox thinks that would make too much sense. Firefox DevTools are actual ass. Like, for simple stuff, fine. Okay, cool. But anything else, and it's just the worst. It's the worst thing on the planet. It's still null. It's still fucking null. Why? Why? Just why, actually? Just I don't get it. I don't get it. Did I? Is it because I forgot that semicolon, huh? This thing's just such a huge piece of shit. Okay, what if I want to evaluate multiple groups? Like, is that not what this does? Oh, it takes in a single result group. That's ridiculous. Truly. But you can... Oh my god. What if I just want the fucking total? That's all I want, is the total. Can I just get the result? So I have to go through each result group. You piece of shit. My tab just crashed. Thanks, Firefox. You're great. Oh, that's not how you do that. For var I God, I don't even know. I don't even know how to God damn, dude, what is this stupid thing? Why? Just why? Okay. I is less than the length. Sorry, I want to go roll.packet.result dot. Or no, my bad. Message.payload.results groups.length. And then I set I plus equals 1. I don't know if there's a post increment operator. It doesn't really matter. It's one extra character. Roll. Let's have result group equal. Let's try it, right? Client, that does the thing, do this. Okay, so it sent a 0. It shouldn't send a 0. God damn it. I think this is why I hate JavaScript. I think I've truly figured it out. What? That doesn't make sense. It doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense at all. It makes no sense. Yeah, no sense at all. No, none. If you roll a different time, it'll add the roll. But if you roll the first time, oh, no. We can't do that. It's illegal. There's no difference in the rolls. There should be no difference. Somehow there is. That's completely and utterly ridiculous. I don't get it. I don't get it. Unless... See, unless... this wasn't happening in series. Because I will break someone's fucking legs if that's what's happening. Right, I assume .then doesn't schedule this, but instead waits for this to be called, like the promise to be fulfilled, and then runs what's inside of here. And is not scheduling. Because scheduling would be the stupidest fucking thing that you could do. It would be utterly goddamn ridiculous to do that. But it looks like that's what it's doing. There's no way the designers of this language were that fucking brain dead when they made this language to think, you know, we're not going to make it so you can use a wait. That's actually going to be fucking impossible. And also, we're not gonna make the .then work correctly either. We're not gonna have that work correctly. That can go fuck itself too. There's no way that this would just schedule a second promise. There's no fucking way it would be that ridiculous. That would be insane. See, there's no way. There's no fucking way that JavaScript's developers are that brain dead. Right? There's no way. There's just no way. Right? Right? There's no fucking way. Now, if I do a wait, and it gives me the same goddamn syntax error, I am gonna break someone's legs, like I've been saying. I think I'm gonna throw something. JavaScript is utterly infuriating. I've never had this much of an issue. I've used Java, Python, a bit of C#, C++, and Rust, and I think a bit of Lua. I've used all those things, and none of them have made me this pissed off. Not a single fucking time in 7 years have I been this mad at a programming language in its standard library. Which is the most ridiculous thing to be mad about. Is it gonna work? That's not the correct result! That is not the correct result. That is not the right result. That said 11. That said 11, didn't it? It said 11. It's not in a closed state. Oh, it shouldn't do that. Oh, okay, so this is the sum of the two. No, that was the correct total. But why is it saying that the WebSocket closed? Because no, the fuck it didn't. Oh, this is so painful. Who invented this bullshit? It's utterly disgusting. I don't get it. I didn't understand who thought, you know what I want to do today? Cause pain and suffering among every developer to ever exist. There's no way someone thought that, right? Like, this, no way. Like, did this happen intentionally, or because my God, no one can be this stupid. Not a single person, right? Right? It would be impossible to be that stupid. It's Mike, I gotta chill the fuck out. Like, this is, maybe I should stop the stream and take a break. I'm sorry, this is the worst. Like, I am really concerned for everyone who's like, you know what you should learn first? JavaScript. Best programming language to learn. Very easy. My God, I have 7 years of programming experience, and I can tell you this shit makes no sense right here. This is the worst. The documentation is browser specific. Like, every implementation is different, so there's like 5 different versions of the language. Alright? For all the different browser engines out there. And you want to support all of them, don't you? So you hope they follow the standard, but oh no. Most of them follow the standard a little bit differently, and that standard's actually changed, but the documentation hasn't, so go fuck yourself. Maybe it's because I don't have a fucking LSP, but... And the object system is... It's terrible. There should be a clear distinction between a dictionary and an object. An object can have a dictionary lookup for its items. Fine. But you should do something like Python, where that is a special thing that you can access, and not just, oh, objects are dictionaries, actually. Everything's a dictionary. That's ridiculous. That is the worst way you could do it. It's terrible for memory efficiency. And it's just not smart. I don't understand why you would do that. It's so goofy. Like, why not make them different? And there's no, like, object templates. Now, it's nice if you're just trying to, like, mock something out, I guess. Like, you're trying to just have key value pairs, I guess, but yeah, I still prefer the Python way to do it, you know? I'll be honest. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just take a goddamn break, because this is the worst programming language I've ever used in my entire life. I wish to never touch this language again. Ever. Would be fantastic. It is filled with inconsistencies. Like, oh, you need to use var, let, const, etc. Except, actually, no you don't. Go fuck yourself, I lied. I will not throw an error, but there is a difference. I just won't tell you. It's so smart, obviously. And oh, you need to use semicolons, except for when you don't. Don't worry about it. And then the promises, oh my god, promises suck. They're the worst. Only okay thing, and even then it's still kind of goofy, is you can call an async function without awaiting it. So I guess that's okay. I guess. Oh, I hope I never have to touch this again, but I know that's not true, because in a few hours I'll probably come back and I will continue working on this, and I don't know what I'll do. Maybe I'll cry. This is so awful. I feel bad for every JavaScript developer ever. I am so sorry for your loss, that you have to deal with this horrible language. And it's supposed to be Java inspired, but I mean, I'm looking at this and I'm not seeing any Java. I'll be honest. I think I would rather use Java than JavaScript. And I still know jack shit about Java. It's just far more intuitive. Like, once you understand what, you know, a static method is and what an interface is, you've pretty much learned most of the hard things in the language. I mean, there's some, like, implementation specific stuff, like, oh, how do I turn a string into an integer? You know, fair enough, but yeah. I would still much rather use Java. It's so much simpler. There isn't this goofiness. Now, I mean, Java still kind of sucks in a few ways, but better than JavaScript. Alright, that's it for me today. I don't think I could handle using JavaScript for another minute, so I'm going to take a bit of a break. And I'll make an update when this project is done. I'm taking a break from the programming language because I just need a break, right? There's some problems I'm having trouble solving, and I'm wondering if I should just move straight to bootstrapping, because the problems don't appear to be severe. So I think I have a couple ideas on how to solve them, but it's still kind of just a shot in the dark. So I'm not really sure. That's it for me today. Have a good one, I guess, and I will see you eventually.